WiggleyWiggles!
Let's start with the rainbow reach pose. Sit down cross-legged, raise your hands above your head, join the palms and stretch.
Hold the pose.
Return to your position.
Relax.
Get ready for the next pose. The Starfish Stretch pose. Your legs in front, raise your hands, bend forward and touch your feet. Do not bend your legs. Feel the stretch in your legs and back. Hold the pose. Return to your position.
Relax.
Get ready for the next pose. The rocket legs pose. Lie down on your back, hands to your sides. Slowly raise both your legs up, pointing to the sky. Hold the pose. Return to your position. Keep lying down and relax. Get ready for the next pose.
The turtle tunnel pose.
Fold your legs, knees pointing up, both feet on the floor. Take support of your palms on floor and raise your waist till your stomach and thighs are in one line. Keep your head and shoulders touching the ground. Hold the pose. Return to your position. Keep lying down and relax. Get ready for the next pose.
The Snuggle Ball pose.
Slowly lift your legs and bend your knees. Hug them close to your tummy, like you're curling up into a tiny ball. And take a deep breath in and out. Hold the pose. Return to your position.
Relax.
WiggleyWiggles!